Guys, in today's Python video, I'm telling you about the Python global variable. So yeah, I'm telling you about that. So let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. Guys, in today's Python video, I'm telling you about the Python global variable. So yeah, I'm telling you about that. So let's learn about that first of all. But what can I do? I write here 252. Okay, now let's learn about the Python global variable. So let's learn about that. Now, Python global variables. Global variables. Variables that are created outside of a function. And as is all on the examples in previous pages are known as global variables. Global variables can be used by everywhere, both inside of functions and outside. For example, if you create a variable outside of a function and use it inside a function, so you wrote like that. Here you can see it. And how to run it, you can go on your file, new file, and then here you can write like Rayyan.py, then enter press, then documents, then create file, then yes, then paste this code, and now okay, now save it and run it. It gives you the indentation error. Now it give me Python is awesome like that. Why it give me like that? Because in the first line I write here x equals to in the double commas I write like awesome. Then in the second line I create my function, okay, def my function, and in the third line it is the very main code. In the third line I say please print the Python is, then in the double commas I write like Python is, then I say please plus the x also. So then it has been plus the x, and in the x there is wrote like awesome. So that's why it give me the awesome. If I write here y, and here I write like nice, and then I write like here plus y, so it give me Python is awesome nice. Here you can see it. But if I space here, so it give me like that. But if I write space like here, then save it, so it give me Python is awesome nice like that. Here you can see it. Like that you can do it. Now come here. If you create a variable with the same name inside a function, if you create a variable with the same name inside a function, this variable will be local. What? This variable is called a local, and can only be used inside the function. Now let's come here. The global variable with the same name will remain as it was global and with the original value. For example, if you create a variable inside a function, like this is a variable and you created it, this one a variable and you created inside a function. So with the same name as the global variable, as the same name with the global variable, like that. Here you can see x equals to awesome, def my function, x equals to double commas fantastic, print in Python is plus x my function, and then Python is plus x, like that. One code has been here. So let me run it, let me copy it, and let me paste it, and let me erase it, and then save it and run it. So it not give me any output. So let's see. Okay, I have seen, see why it not give me the output. Save it and run it. So it give me Python is awesome and fantastic. Why? Because in the first line I say x equals to double commas awesome, then I create my function, then in the third line I say x equals to fantastic, and then I write like print Python is plus x, then in the fifth line one more I have created my function, then in the sixth line I say print Python is then plus x. So that's why it give me like that. If you do not write this x and then run it, so it give you Python is only. Here you can see it. But if you write like plus x, so it give you like Python awesome, and in the Python is fantastic, like that it has been giving you. The global keyword. Normally when you create a variable inside a function, that variable is local and can only be used inside that function. Okay, to create a global variable inside a function, you can use the global keyword. Okay, For example, if you use the global keyword, the variable belongs to the global scope, like that. When I copy it and when I erase it, save it and run it. It should give me like Python is fantastic. Why? Because in the first line I say def and then I create my function. Then in the second line I say I create a global variable x, and then in the third line I say x equals to fantastic. In the fourth line I create my function, and in the fifth line I say print Python is then plus x, and it has been give me the output like Python is fantastic. Here you can see like that. Also use the global keyword if you want to change a global variable inside a function. For example, to change the value of a global variable inside a function, refer to the variable by using the global keyword. Like that, here you can see it. When I copy it and when I go on my Visual Studio Code and when I paste it, and then here we can, okay, it give me the indentation error, okay, and then save it, then it should give me Python is fantastic. Why? It is only giving me Python is fantastic. It's not giving me Python is awesome and Python is fantastic. Why? Because in the first line I create x equals to in the double commas awesome. In the second line I create my function. In the third line I make a global variable x, and in the fourth line I say x equals to fantastic, and in the fifth line I create my function, and in the sixth line I say print Python is then plus x. So then the first one is awesome, and the fourth and the second one is fantastic, but it is giving me fantastic. Why? Because fantastic is below the global variable. What? The fantastic is below the global variable, because in the first line the x equals to awesome is not below the global variable. In the second line def my function, then in the third line global variable, and in the fourth line the x equals to fantastic. So anything is below the global variable, so the Python will be print that first. If I go here and if I do like that, sorry, if I go x awesome, so it give me Python is fantastic. Here you can see it like that. It is not giving me Python is awesome. Okay, there is like that. Here you can see, if I say erase it and when I paste it, should give me now Python is awesome. Here you can see why? Because the Python is awesome in the fourth line. If the Python is awesome in the third line and the fantastic is in the fourth line, so it is giving me the Python is fantastic like that. Here you can see it. Now like that it is called, like here you can see it. So here you can see it. In today's video I told you about the Python global variables. So here you can see it. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share, and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also. And please, I appreciate your support through. If you genuinely appreciate my work, so please let your friends know about this course too. And if you haven't checked my whole playlist yet, so move on to the code davrayyan.com or my YouTube channel, so you can easily access it and bookmark it also. So now please tell me how is my performance is going in the comment section below, and please tell me if I give you the notes in the description. Please tell me that also. So now I'm in next class, and next very amazing class like this type of videos. Okay, so now for today, goodbye.